Hello. This is just a video about showing you how to get a Drifloon. Yeah. Right, on Friday, try to fly to Floroma Town on Friday, because Drifloon will only show up on Friday. It will only show up Friday. He won't show up on any more day except for Friday. Drifloon, you're just balloon, just Drifloon. I'm telling you, you will only show up at Friday, so you can't catch up any more days. Friday. Sorry about this. Alright, let's see. You know what? I'm gonna try to do something. Use quick ball to capture. Oh, that was pretty easy. Sorry about that. Oh, there you go. You got your Drifloon. Catch a Drifloon. And remember, it will only show up on Friday. And it can show up every day, every Friday. It can show up every Friday. So you can catch as many Drifloons you want on each Friday.